Have you ever considered the potential risks that come with using unsanctioned AI technology in the workplace? This is where we introduce the concept of BYOAI, or Bring Your Own Artificial Intelligence. It's a practice where employees utilize any form of external AI service for work-related tasks, regardless of whether the company sanctions it or not. This can involve AI-infused software, AI creation tools, even cloud-based application programming interfaces. A lot of these tools are publicly accessible, and sometimes a simple search query could inadvertently release company intellectual property outside the safe boundaries of the enterprise. This issue is closely related to shadow IT, a term that describes the use of all types of unsanctioned IT resources. But while shadow IT broadly refers to all unapproved tech, BYOAI specifically zeroes in on the unsanctioned use of AI technology. The uncontrolled use of BYOAI can expose companies to several risks, which we will delve into in the next scene. Data loss, intellectual property leakage, legal risks, and security concerns are among the potential hazards of BYOAI. Let's start with data loss and intellectual property leakage. Imagine you're using an unapproved AI tool, innocently enough, to facilitate a work task. You upload a document filled with proprietary information to the tool, assuming it's secure. But what if it's not? Your data could leak, leading to potential data breaches. Competitors could discover your company's secret source, your trade secrets, your innovative product designs. The ramifications of such leaks are enormous, causing potential financial losses and damaging the company's competitive advantage. Moving on to legal risks. These are a bit more complex. We live in a world where anti-discrimination laws protect individuals based on factors like race, gender, and age. Now, let's say that an AI tool you're using has an inherent bias that disproportionately harms a certain group. This can violate anti-discrimination laws. Courts are increasingly recognizing algorithmic bias, where the design of an AI system leads to discriminatory outcomes. This isn't just about breaking the law, it's about causing real harm to real people. And it opens the door to lawsuits seeking compensation for those harmed. Lastly, let's talk about security risks. Unsolicited use of third-party AI applications can expose your organization to malware and phishing attacks. Think about it. You're using an AI tool to analyze data, and you think you've anonymized it all. But you miss a crucial detail, and suddenly you've revealed identities. You've exposed your company and potentially your customers to cyber threats. The risks of BYOAI are real, and they're serious. They can cause damage to your company's reputation, financial stability, and legal standing. They can harm individuals and groups who are protected by anti-discrimination laws, and they can expose your company to cyber threats. Knowing these risks, the question now is, how can we mitigate them? The key to mitigating the risks of BYOAI lies in a combination of policy, training, and technology. Start by implementing strict policies that clearly define the acceptable use of AI tools. These policies should outline the potential risks of unsanctioned AI use and the consequences of non-compliance. They should also provide guidelines on how to properly use AI tools to prevent misuse and accidental data leakage. But policies alone won't do the trick. They need to be supplemented with regular training sessions. Training is a crucial component that will ensure employees understand the complexities of AI and the dangers associated with its misuse. It's not merely about knowing what button to push, it's about understanding the potential consequences of pushing that button. And let's not forget the role of technology. Use it to monitor and control the application of unsanctioned AI. This could involve installing security software to detect and block unauthorized AI tools, or using data loss prevention tools to prevent sensitive data from being leaked. Additionally, consider employing AI itself to combat the risks. AI-powered tools can analyze network traffic and user behavior to identify unusual patterns that might signify a security threat. Lastly, foster an open dialogue between IT teams and other employees. This can help to identify needs that current tools aren't meeting and might prevent the unsanctioned use of external AI tools. While BYOAI presents challenges, with the right approach, it can be managed effectively. To wrap things up, let's quickly go over what we've discussed today. BYOAI, or Bring Your Own AI, is the unsanctioned use of artificial intelligence tools by employees. While it may boost productivity, it opens the door to serious risks, such as data loss, intellectual property leakage, legal risks due to potential algorithmic bias, and security threats like malware and phishing. Mitigating these risks involves careful regulation, education, and the implementation of secure, approved AI tools. Your awareness and understanding of these issues is the first step in ensuring a safer and more secure workplace in the era of AI. Personal AI tools often lack the stringent security protocols and data protection measures that are built into authorized tools. The result? A heightened risk of data breaches, intellectual property leaks, and regulatory non-compliance. So, how can organizations navigate this trend? The answer lies in understanding the unique needs of different roles within an organization. This process, known as job persona mapping, can help companies provide the correct AI tools that meet the needs of their employees. But beware, mishaps in persona mapping can be costly. Limited access to appropriate AI tools can hinder productivity and morale, while granting access to powerful tools to those who don't need them increases security vulnerabilities. To curb the risks associated with BYOAI, companies must enforce strict BYOAI policies. These policies should guide employees on the approved use of AI in the workplace and clearly outline the potential risks and consequences of misuse. Involving teams such as security and data governance in developing these policies is essential to ensure a comprehensive approach. Remember the Samsung incident of 2023? The company had to ban employees from using ChatGPT after sensitive data was accidentally leaked through the platform. This serves as a stark reminder of the perils of unregulated BYOAI use. In summary, BYOAI is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it brings convenience and efficiency, but on the other, it opens up a Pandora's box of security risks. Through careful job persona mapping, targeted AI tool provision, and strict BYOAI policies, companies can harness the potential of AI while ensuring a secure and efficient work environment. The future of work is here, and with it comes the need for careful navigation. BYOAI is not a trend to be feared, but rather to be managed with caution and foresight.